Good morning and welcome to this sung Eucharist on Rogation Sunday. I once attended church in a rural benefice. There were 2 parishes and 2 churches. Each parish contained a village, and each village had a medieval church that was some distance away. One was linked to a rather marooned manor house which all development had passed by, while the other was far outside of the village because it had begun life as a leper church. So each of these churches was situated in the middle of the countryside, surrounded on 3 sides by fields given over to arable farming. And over the course of the year, anyone who attended either of these churches regularly could not help but notice the seasons and the pattern of ploughing, sowing, growing, and then harvesting, all of which seemed to be governed by the state of the weather. In some years, the crops grew quickly and strongly and seemed to flourish, while in other years they grew slowly, became stunted, and dried out from lack of moisture. In other years still, they had too much moisture and fell over. Harvests then were long and, even to my untutored eye, difficult, and the yields less than in the good years. Rogation means to ask, and we think particularly on this Rogation Sunday of asking for our needs to be supplied from the land. Now, prayer is that it may be bountiful, and we may use that bounty wisely, fairly, and with justice. And so our service begins with that great prayer of asking, the Litany.